I'm going to teach you exactly how to dropship step by step with just TikTok. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we need a product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on TikTok and then I'm going to search up TikTok made me buy it. Now, I'm just going to scroll through until I find a product that we can dropship. Now, what you want to do is all these products, you want to like all of them. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to trick your For You page to show you dropshipping products. After you find a product from TikTok and you look at the engagement, you want to see the comments, if it has good comments, if it has bad comments, what exactly is the feedback. You want to click on that, on the video you found, and you want to make sure you want to save it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to copy the exact same product that we found just on TikTok and make our own brand around it. To do that, first you want to make your store. Now, TikTok allows you to put a link in your bio after 1,000 followers. So what I usually do for this type of method is I usually say product released at 1,000 followers. And that usually speeds up the process of getting followers. When people see that, they think it's an unreleased product and they're going to follow until it's released. Now, what you want to do is you want to order the same product that you just found and you want to dropship from Amazon. After you ordered it from Amazon, next you want to do is you want to start making videos on it. If you don't know how to make videos, what you could do is you can find the video, the viral video that you found before with TikTok made me buy it method, and copy the exact same style and format of that video and just adding a little twist. After you posted your first video, you want to see where your product is. You want to see if there's any engagement, any comments, any likes. If you don't go viral the first time, you want to look for other videos that are also viral with the same product. You want to post that same format a second time. Now, you want to keep posting for at least a week, and you want to post 3 videos. If you want to find inspiration to what type of content you want to post, look at other people's videos. That's great inspiration. This is what TikTok is. Everyone posts videos that are a recreation of something else. So you just want to keep recreating with your own twist. Now, this is a great way to save so much money on marketing. All you're really spending to start up this business is buying it from Amazon and paying $1 for Shopify. If you want to learn more about dropshipping, check out my other videos. Until next time.